Still staring at a blank screen while designing websites? What if I told you there are secret websites where top designers steal inspiration daily, and most beginners don't even know they exist? Today, I'm showing you the top 5 website design resources that can instantly upgrade your design skills. If you're a web designer, developer, freelancer, or agency owner, these platforms will help you find inspiration, improve UI ideas, and design faster. Let's jump straight into number 1. First is Landingfolio, one of the best platforms for landing page inspiration. It features thousands of real landing page designs, components, and templates curated for quality. You can filter by industry, colors, and features, making it super easy to find design ideas fast. If you build SaaS or product websites, this one is basically a gold mine. Next is Killer Portfolio, perfect if you want creative portfolio inspiration. From minimal personal sites to bold agency designs, it helps you understand how professionals showcase their work. Whether you're building a personal portfolio or designing one for a client, this platform shows modern storytelling through design. Number 3 is Allwords, basically the Oscars of web design. It showcases award-winning websites created by top designers worldwide. If you want cutting-edge animations, interactions, and futuristic UI, this is the place. Want to see what the top 1% of websites look like? Spend just 10 minutes here and your design perspective will change. Number 4 is One Page Love, a curated collection of one-page websites. If you love minimal and conversion-focused websites, this is your playground. Perfect for landing pages, portfolios, product launches, and startup pages. It showcases thousands of single-page websites designed for clarity, storytelling, and fast user decisions. Last but not least, Commerce Cream. If you design Shopify or e-commerce websites, this platform shows real high-performing online stores with premium design quality. You'll learn product layout ideas, e-commerce UX, and real examples of successful online businesses. Perfect for Shopify designers or anyone building online stores.
We also provide WordPress development support, so if you want a WordPress website or blog, you are looking for someone to maintain your WordPress website, hire us at buddydeveloper.com. Subscribe this channel for more update, and thank you for watching.